Okay, we're going to put in our ground turkey. And you see it's 99% lean, 1% fat is going into this. And this is 1 pound. So let's kind of get this all mixed up real quick. Okay, that don't look too bad. We'll end up mixing some more. Okay, we have 2.5 pounds of meat, and I have 2.75 grams of curing salt to go in this. Let me get my other seasonings together and I'll be back. Okay. 1, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, however you want to pronounce it. Now, keep that over there. I think that's all of our liquid. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, about 2 teaspoons of powdered garlic, okay, 1 tablespoon of powdered onion, 1 tablespoon, it calls for a teaspoon, but 1 tablespoon of black pepper, now this is some cayenne pepper, and I'm just going to do a little bit, less than a 1/4 teaspoon, about a 1/4 teaspoon. About a teaspoon of sea salt. I think that's enough. We're going to add in the cure salt. Just kind of spread it all around so we can get it all mixed up very well. Now, the liquids here. Now we need to mix it up. Okay, now we're just going to kind of fold and mix, get all this mixed up. Then it's going in the refrigerator for 18 to 24 hours. So it can cure. Now into the refrigerator it goes. Okay, we have the dehydrator warming up. I have it set at 165, and we're letting it warm while we get the jerky gun out and start filling our trays. So this has been marinating in the refrigerator overnight. Been in there about 20 hours. Now, this was a pork loin, and I used my food processor to grind it up. that one. Okay, that gave us 4 trays. Let's take a look at it. All right, we have 4 trays. 1, 2, 3, 4. And okay, let's open it up and see what they look like. We may have to go a little longer. Oh, them looking good. I think maybe we'll go a little bit longer. And I think we need to rotate or I'm going to rotate them. May not need to, but we're going to. Everything looks pretty good, actually. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that is looking good. And this is looking good. I'm going to set it again. Let's turn it on. Set our temperature. The button's got a little bit, sometimes you gotta make sure you get it right. Okay, 60, go back there, and let's go for a time. Again, let's do 1 hour, 30 minutes this time. Start it. Here we go. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.